2 minutes. Alright, guys, come on. Guys, come on. I can only get 2 minutes on something to footage. Alright, so this used to be what we used to call Fort Death Trap.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's some thorns.
Thorns. Thorns.
And they say, yeah, we're gonna go around and find someone else.
Hey.
I think the thorns were the entire reason. Oh yeah, do you guys remember this place? This is where the snow day thing was, when my sister thought I was gonna kick down her snowman. R.I.P. Jeff. Or whatever I named him, Jeff. I don't remember. He used to be in the success squad. Yeah, there's a cinder block. We can get through here, like, it's less risky. Like and comment if you can hear my dog howling. Yeah, we're just gonna like scan the perimeter and make sure there's no rake.
Oh, dog.
Alright, I don't see anything. Alright, that'll be just about the end of the video. We got a minute left of footage. Feathers? What the crap is this? Holy!
See?
If you guys are some bird experts, comment what this feather is, because my gosh, something is killed here. Something was killed here. Something was killed here.
You remember Kathy?
There was something that got killed here.
There's a bird in the what's it for? No.
That was some.
That was with my bike.
That was something that got killed. There was something that got killed here. I guess this will be just about the end of the video. We're gonna